This is not just another weekend. It's the last of its kind. For Overlanders, the road never truly ends. It's not just about the destination, it's about the moments in between, the connections made, and the stories shared. This is where adventure begins, and where, for so many, it comes full circle. For years, the Adventure Overland show has brought together the bold, the curious, and the wanderers of the world.
I've been to the Adventure Overland show just twice. I came 2 years ago.
First time there to the Overland show.
Literally our first show.
Yeah. Came to the event 13 years ago. Back my way in.
We've probably attended the show as traders in excess of 20 times.
We've come here not just to show off our rigs or to swap stories, but to be a part of something bigger. A community of explorers united by our love for the journey. Every rig tells a story, and every traveller leaves with a new one.
So this is my Ford Transit van. I bought it just as a panel van, and I've spent the last 12 months converting it. I started 6 years ago in nothing but a ground tent. I needed, my head wasn't in the right place. I just disappeared, I think like 10 days, just camping, travelling around Scotland, over to the Isle of Skye. And I came back and just a different person.
At some point, I'd like to convert my own van. And at the moment we have a professionally converted van. I came here for some inspiration, really, to look at ideas for my own van in the future. I think the NC500 is probably my best memory so far with the van. The landscape is like amazing. It's like you can't believe we live in this country. I've never seen anything so beautiful.
My stepdad jumped on eBay and he found an old horse truck. Sent me the link, be like, hey, what about this? I was like, yeah, it looks banging. And he bought it. It was like $3,500 for this 10-ton horse truck. So I spent about 10 months with my partner, hitting it all out, getting it ready. It's really rewarding having built your own home. And there's a sense of freedom just knowing that if I'm fed up of this place, I can just drive my home away. Now, 10 years later, I'm still living in the truck. And I wouldn't swap it for the world. Absolutely wouldn't swap it for the world.
So the outdoors, travel, everything for me is just, it's my escape. Anytime things get tough, just jump in the van and go and climb a mountain, jump on my bike, go paddleboarding. Probably the best bit of advice I would give them is just do it. Don't even, think, oh, I can't do it, or I don't know how you do it. Just wing it. Just buy a vehicle, a van, anything, get a tent, anything, and just go for it. There's just so much out there to see, discover, places to go. There's always like-minded people. There's absolutely nothing stopping you. Just do it.
Don't feel under pressure to have an ultra expensive go anywhere vehicle.
Yeah.
Because you don't need it.
Yeah, just getting stuck in. I think one thing I never realised is that you can just try everything. There's no rules. You just gotta do whatever works for you and don't compare yourself to what anyone else is doing. Because comparison is the old thief of joy, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So just do whatever works. The person that's having the most fun is the one that's winning.
My first bit of advice is don't get hung up on kit. The best kit that you have is your mind and your ability to use that and apply it to whatever it is. And that can only be formed by doing trips. So it doesn't matter what vehicle you use and how you go about it. The experience will come from the trip. What it means to me, it's my world. It's what I've done for the majority of my life. The ability to take my family and my children on those travels is just the greatest luxury a father could ever have. It's great. We have every creature comfort we could think of in our car, but it doesn't need to be like that. Just get out and do it. That's the number thing. It's the mind. It's the mindset. You've got to get over it. You've got to just put yourself maybe outside of your comfort zone. You might not have been abroad before, for example. You might not speak the language. You might be intimidated by all of that. Get over it and just get out there and have a go.
I'm Ash, this is Tom. Tom's been doing the event for,
14 years at the racecourse here, the Adventure Overland show. Originally it was just four-wheel drives and six-wheel drive and eight-wheel drive, but it was all-wheel drives. And then the camper van people came along and said, oh, can we come? Oh, absolutely, of course you can. There's been people who I haven't seen for 30 years. It's just, they've come out the woodwork and it's been incredible. Yeah, I mean, what can I say? Last show here, but, never say never. There will be other shows, there'll be gatherings.
Yeah, it's the last one. It's a shame, really.
You're gutted, really, to find out that it's the last one.
Yeah.
Especially now being here and seeing what it's all about.
Very, very sad is the honest answer. It's a big portion of our life. It's a big portion of our career,
I did cry when Tom made the announcement. We were all sat there, we were really, really emotional about it.
Yeah, cut up. Yeah, really cut up. Yeah, show's been done a long time. 13 years I've done. I've been very cut up about it. I'll miss my Stratford family. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, I'll miss being with my Stratford family.
Here, in the heart of it all, we witness something special. A union of love and adventure, surrounded by the community that makes this more than just a gathering. It's a celebration of all that this life embodies. Trust, commitment, and the willingness to embrace the unknown together. As the show draws to a close for the final time, this is not goodbye. This show may be the last, but the spirit of adventure never truly fades. It's out there, waiting on the open road, in every sunrise and in every untold story. The Adventure Overland show may end here, but the journey continues for all of us.